Welcome back again, everybody, and we're going to learn about how to add on a little more content, but a little different. This time we're going to talk about how to add in from your own drive. So if you're on the page you want it to be added to, first you click Insert, and then you choose From Drive. From there it's going to open up all the things that you have created. So I can then look back and go, okay, maybe I want to add in something about internet safety because that might be a good thing when we're talking about videos with our students. So it's simple as double clicking. Now it's there for everyone to see. Maybe I want to go ahead and add in something about Gmail versus Outlook. After all, Gmail and Outlook are very important things. No big deal. So that was as simple as that. Maybe I decide, that doesn't really make sense, so I'm going to go and delete it from this section. It's not needed there. Maybe I want to go ahead and see the section background and change it to maybe emphasis or emphasis 1, or maybe I want to change it to a picture. I think I'm just going to leave it like this. No big deal. And again, since this week we also worked with the Google Calendar, I'm going to go ahead and insert a Google Calendar on this page and go My Personal One and click Insert. And now you have the Google Calendar showing that modules 7 and 8 are due this week, along with my personal comps are coming up in 1 month. Okay, thank you very much.